Hi guys, welcome to Cooking with Salsa Queen. Today I'm gonna be making an amazing mango pineapple rice, and on top we're gonna put coconut shrimp and we're gonna top it with our amazing chimichurri. So I am super excited. So I have here 2 cups of rice, and I really like to use some really good jasmine rice because I just made a mess. Jasmine rice, stick to that rice. It's pretty easy to cook. And so I'm gonna cook it on this amazing rice cooker, and you wanna throw a little bit of oil, probably a couple of tablespoons. And then, this is super easy, like ridiculously easy. Then you're gonna put the rice in there. And you're gonna throw a mango pineapple salsa. The whole container, let's throw it in there. And of course, you don't want to forget a little bit of salt. Oh yes. And remember, for each cup of rice, you use 2 cups of water. Whoa, 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 whoa. Turn it on. White rice. Voila! Now we'll wait. Okay, so we have the coconut shrimp right here, and now we're gonna deep fry it. Be careful guys with this, no kids around. If you have a deep fryer, definitely use that, or an air fryer. I know a lot of people don't have those kind of things, so I kind of wanna do it this way so you guys can have an idea. Okay, so I think our rice is ready. Let's check it out. Yep, it is done and ready. So now we're gonna put this together. This is gonna be such an amazing recipe because it's so summery, you know, the mango pineapple salsa. Oh yeah, the rice is right here. So yummy, so perfect. I love rice. And rice is hard to make, but if you want to become an expert at making rice, use good rice, some good quality rice. Then we're going to put some shrimp right here. Oh yes. And we're going to drizzle it with our mango pineapple just to give it a little bit more sweetness on top of the coconut shrimp. Oh yeah. On my rice. And we are gonna put some of our new product that we have. Cilantro Chimichurri is amazing. Oh my gosh, you guys wanna try this for sure. And we're gonna put it over our rice and our shrimp, and this is gonna be exquisite. Oh, we're gonna put some slices of orange right here, and voila, you're done. Wasn't this easy? Okay guys, so we have a special guest here today. I am super excited. I'm excited for her to try our coconut shrimp with our mango pineapple rice and our awesome new chimichurri. So welcome to my favorite guest of the month, Kim Kardashian. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I am so excited that you're here. Thank you so much. Do you like shrimp? Yeah? Okay, so are you ready to try some awesome shrimp? She's at my house today, I can't believe it. Okay, come on, dig in. So this is our mango pineapple rice with some shrimp, which is really, really yummy. Oh, try the chimichurri. The cilantro chimichurri is so good. Thumbs up, bum, bum. Hey, I have always wanted to do this. Put a glass on your bum bum. Is that okay? Okay, there you go. Oh, wow! Look at that! It actually happened. It is true. Thank you for joining us today. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, and check out our other videos. Thank you for joining us on Cooking with Salsa Queen. Thank you so much for coming. This was so awesome. I'm so excited.